Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May you open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today I want to talk about my governor Obaseki. Today I want to talk about Governor Obaseki. What he do for my great state, Edo State. You know, for this life, when somebody do something good, you really need to come out and say it. It's too unfortunate, Mr. Governor Obaseki, say people where you they pay, they know they post important things like this way they do. Don't they post important things like this way they do? If you say me see for your Instagram or your Twitter feed, say you do this kind of stuff, so when me want talk, so this kind, oh Jesus Christ, my mind they lick me so. Oh my do women follow me, dance. Oh my Okay, make I tell you now why they happy. For the past some days now, I dey fire Governor Obaseki. I dey give Governor Obaseki because I know they see things where they do. People wey put for seat, no they do. They don't they post report. They don't they post good legacy. They don't they post good things where they do. So when people like us see things where not they go on where for our beautiful state, they use our constitutional rights. They speak out because our voice now our power. So Governor Obaseki just do historic thing for Edo State right now. My Edo women, my brave, beautiful Edo women, we don't get freedom. We don't get freedom. I just find out, say, Governor Obaseki pass law, say make women dey free for Edo State. Hey. We don't dey free. We don't dey free, tanta. We don't dey free, we don't dey free, we don't dey free. So I really dey happy, Governor Obaseki. Thank you very much. Oh God, man, not to thank you, man, not to thank you. The person wey dey behind that, I know say now you pass the law, but now your wife fire you to do one. Mrs. Governor Obaseki, the punkish woman, the finest woman. Oh God, I want to praise you. Thank you very much for the legacy you make your husband leave behind. Thank you for giving her to run. Thank you for firing him or her. Excuse me, that's my mind. They lick me coast everywhere. Pepper soup, everywhere pepper soup. Oh, hey, give me one beer. Give me one beer. Everybody, everywhere, mede. Excuse me. Give me one beer. Give me one beer. Everywhere, mede. Everywhere, pepper soup. That's. My heart is filled with joy. I'm really, really, really happy. I don't know as I want to talk on. But I say, my women. It be like say my fellow Edo women don't know what this bill mean. He passed this bill on the 12th of February after this saga of this girl. You know, it takes saga to bring good thing. When something just they do bag, my Edo brothers and sisters, more than know say better thing they come out for inside there. Because I believe say every saga, good things must always come out for inside. It's just a pity and it's painful to see say na somebody now pay the price, but I believe say that person a historic person, that person that is na hero. All Edo women need to appreciate and applaud this my sister where they feel say they do bad. That my sister where they publicly disgrace, put pepper for her private parts. She joined waiting hasting the bill to pass. Governor Obaseki passed law say, hey, say, make all the women of Edo State get freedom. He put on for law, say all these traditional men, all these men wey say women are nothing in Edo State, wey not dey respect women, make they start to dey respect us. Then, hey God, oh, Governor Obaseki, Mrs. Governor Obaseki, I got joy like a river, joy like a river, joy like a river in my soul. Oh, I got joy like a river, joy like a river, joy like a river in my soul. I'm really happy, Mrs. Governor Obaseki. God bless you for this legacy when you and your husband leave behind. Thank you for joining all the women affair, the women, all the women affair, the women association, the women we fight for women. Oh God, may our mother Idiani Yesige, may our mother the Idenokbohu we die for love, may our mother the brave mother will go war for us. May she continue to bless all of you in that land. Make she always guide your going out and your coming in. Because I believe, say, all the heroes of the land, they don't wake up. They don't say enough is enough. I thank all the women association. I thank every advocate, every woman, every man will advocate for this bill to pass. I really thank you. This bill, according to the news, they say it don't dey for their table for the past 8 years. They don't agree person because all the hey God, oh, no as this thing they do me. All the men wait there for all those office, they don't know rights to give women. They don't know how to respect women. Now this bill, if you beat your wife, and they feel proven, say you beat your wife, you go jail for 2 good years. Up at the women, our Edo land don't they turn to Oyibo land. Tebo dole wo eji, ei manalejo, wagi madole wi majo, nebo belere iviedove. Ebo dole wo eji, ei manalejo, wagi madole wi majo, nebo belere. That is, I'm really happy. This one that, thank God. Whew. Wow, how fit to explain that to my Edo women? How fit to explain this thing? Now, our husband, our mother, no go they take full responsibility of us again. Our papa, where I know they let them take see who could they pass. No go they drop money for house before they want go do anything they want go do for outside. They go they take care of their children. If they beat woman for Edo State, is against the law now. Is against the law. The Ogbonga one, where can they give me joy like a river, joy like a river. Mona pardon me, mona no verse. If una know the way women take they suffer for Nigeria. Now if I talk of my states, when they take they suffer for Edo State, the way men take they take them like trash. The way man just feel say we be machine just born, ciao, they'll just leave you for there. The way men not take they respect us. If una know as is rampart for Edo State, una go help me jolly, una go help me popori, una go help me. Oh Jesus Christ, have mercy. All my Edo women, we've done it again. We don't break silly. We don't free. The one where they arwe, where they ruels, oh, what is that they call me? Female mutilization. They don't ban down. Whether they ruels, whether they palo everything come out. I don't feel talk about this arwe. I don't feel talk about this. I don't feel talk about this mutilation. Whether they circumcise women. I don't talk about for one of my videos. I'll leave the link below this video. I talk about say it is bad. Now, if you circumcise woman for Edo State now, that is your own case na life imprisonment without bail. Nobody go beg put, so that make our men know say no be say we just dey we not dey hear when they dey hammer also na because say they took palo we not dey hear anything, we not dey feel anything except say the man they really love theirself now go feel go reach where e suppose reach. When we not dey feel anything, don't palo everything. Some women own the way they take circumcise some women, you just see some women, you all help them, they cry, they peel everything, but our men not understand. So not be say we know they, well, God, how to put on, I hope you understand. Our men not understand. So now that thing where they slice, now they make them they feel say women not the hear am. Now they make them they feel so you go harm, you need to eat aka, you need to eat all the medicine where they for pharmacy, you need to eat all the medicine where they for chemist before they go hear am. Not being. Even though you eat all the aka, you eat all the ounce twistic, you eat all the medicine where they for here, you only just they injure that woman because you know they hear anything, they took balloon. So now anybody where they cash say they circumcise woman, they circumcise, they touch and talk. In fact, they won't think anybody where they cash say they think is life imprisonment. I beg nothing na help me share this video. Make you reach our papa, make you reach our mama, make you reach our brother, make you reach our sister. Make them know say Lord don't they. We go carry them go jail if they circumcise their female children. You not fit circumcise your female pikin. My brothers and sisters, share this video, share and give your brother way there for America, your sister way there for Italy, your brother or your uncle way there for any Europe country. You know say they want to see light for house, so make them for no, take call them, tell them say see what they happen, make them not they beat their wife again. The ones who sabi rape, make them not they rape again. The one who not they take off their children, make they start to take off their children, because Lord don't they now make their beg, make them not they circumcise women again. If the cash person where circumcise female child, na life imprisonment, no abeg, no pleading, no money where you want go give them, they don't know what they take. If they lick those people where you want take money, sentence to death, na be the law. So mona me share this video. Me our brother where they are those states, me our sister where they are those states. May therefore know wetin they happen. Make una beg. See how my belly they lick me. Mona share this video because not be all of us are be read though. Mona carry phone, the one way here and now, no time, no man, wayala, wo. If you force your wife, if you rape anybody, if you rape any woman, 2 years imprisonment or wagba. If you circumcise woman, life imprisonment if they catch you. If you beat your wife, 2 years imprisonment. The law many. Domestic violence is not allowed in Edo State anymore. Make una beg, make una help me share this video. Mona help me tell my brothers and sisters, may they beg, and my women, mona not abuse this power. Make una beg, mona not abuse this power for us. So mona help me share this video. Mona let this video reach everywhere. My adult people, mona own a video. Mona shout joy, say we don't get victory. I'm really happy. God will give us that. Acme. He not that stupid though. That good spirit where it just give us that enjoyment of life where human being take from us, all because of their greediness. Say because say they don't feel stay satisfy one woman, they need more than one wife, so they want just put us for igbe, they want put us for imu. Say make we not come go the jump up and down, make the thing not come the terrain us, they cut down. If you marry only one wife, it the terrain, you give her the way it any damn now. Please, I dey emotional in a good way. I'm really happy for this bill where Governor Obaseki pass. Governor Obaseki, this one a good legacy. Now this one we want to see for your Twitter feed. Governor Obaseki, thank you very much. Thank you. May the good spirit of our land continue to bless and guide your family. May he, oh Jesus Christ, how I want to pray for you, Governor Obaseki. You don't know what you do for us. So, Governor Obaseki, you don't know what law where you pass. So, I go post all the. Oh Jesus, I'm just happy. If you beat woman, you, in fact, you are entitled to go to 2 years imprisonment. if you rape woman, hey God, now don't come worse pass. All the men wey sabi rape, all the men wey feel say if they want beg their wife not to tear their wife pants, not to force themselves on their wife even when the wife not dey in the mood. Make una hear me, una hear me clear now. It is life imprisonment when your wife know her rights, when your wife tired, when your wife go report you brother, when your wife go report you daddy, when your wife go report you uncle. Life imprisonment, you are not coming back. They said they want to collect bill. I'll put everything for here. Make una read down by una self. That is the law. So violence against any human being, jungle justice, law justice may war there. So Governor Obaseki, I beg you, people wey dey help you, they check your Twitter feed, make they post this thing there. Mr. Governor Obaseki, as I dey praise you so, make I just continue to dey praise you. If you still do bad, I'll still come here, come still talk and say you not do well for real. I'll come talk and Mr. Governor Obaseki. Give us light as you take do this one. So this one a better legacy. You see, as I dey praise you, so I believe say many people will see here and now will start to dey praise you. So give us light, good education, free health care. That light give us solar energy. Solar energy will get better sun. Those sun wey dey for Edo State, oga gbo ani sanokaka. Now those kind of sun now will get for Edo State. Give us solar energy so that make we dey get constant light, make the crime reduce, make the robbery reduce, make those fine boys make they enter house. If light dey, poverty will still reduce. Everybody will start to dey do something because time na money. I know say they had Mr. Governor Obaseki. Those people where they sell generator, hell, they not go agree make you do solar energy. One key market for their hand. All those big pot belle where they for NNPC, where they for NNPC for Saple Road for there. All those big pot evil belle, all those big men, they not go agree make you do solar energy for us. Give us their name, we know. We know wetin dey, but when you know they talk, now you everybody go dey fire because now you sign say you go fit do everything. So I beg you, post us news for your Twitter feed. Make we dey see everything. We'll see wetin you fit do. Since 8 years, can you imagine? Now that they try to talk, say mona leave our clean for us. Edo men say they not go agree, they not agree pass the law. Now we get our property. Mona leave am for us, we don't want cut again. They don't want here since 8 years. So this one really proved to me, Mr. Obaseki say, you be the try, but they don't want pass the law. As they don't want pass the law, Mr. Obaseki, make the public know, make them not just they fire you like that, as me to they fire you so. I don't know whether you understand. So me, I use this one to understand. They know now say, not be say you be no want do something, but they don't want pass the law. All right, Mr. Obaseki, give us the news. Bring the news, come Okuta Pane, bring and come Okuta Pane, which is social media. Make we tell them say we don't tire to stay darkness. We don't tire. They conceive me for inside darkness. They born me for inside darkness. I don't still grow. I never reach to see light. Mr. Governor Obaseki, leave this legacy for granted. So now you give us constant lights. It go there for ground. People go they use your name till they sing, they shout. But before now, I don't want just criticize you. I don't want to do anything right now. I just want to thank you, praise you, just tell you, say thank you, but give us lights, good education, good health care. Give us, I beg you, because if Edo State better, over here they working power, it go still reach your body. Edo ga mass or work, mega mass or work, bossy work. I beg you, Mr. Obaseki, Mrs. Obaseki, I beg, still fire your husband, make it give us constant lights, make it give us the name of the people, all those NNPC evil doers so we don't want more get solar energy. May give us the name for social media. May post them for your Twitter feed. More start to use them till they sing. Say not be your husband fault. Because everybody they look your husband, say now your husband, I swear. Say you want to take care of us. So my lady, my beautiful lady, help us and remove this body of darkness from Edo people. All my Edo citizens, I beg you, Mona would they follow Governor Obaseki for a Twitter feed, Twitter feed, Instagram. If I'm Mona they stock am, If una see anything we not good, Mona fire am. As I they praise am now because I see what he do way good. Now this kind of thing suppose they post. When they see all this kind of, all of us go they suburbo, all of us go they. Ah God, we go they lick pepper soup, they drink pepper soup. Everywhere pepper soup. Everywhere pepper soup. Oh. Everywhere suburb. Everywhere pepper soup. Give me one beer. Give me one beer. Everybody everyone is a pepper soup. Please, my brothers and sisters, please understand me. If you know the law way pass so, I beg let me share this video. Let me tell all my women around the world, all the Edo State women, for the full Nigeria. Oh God, I am proud. I am really, really proud. I am really, really happy. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk the happiness we full all this belly. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk my Edo people. For the full Nigeria. I believe as I just sit down for yesterday now, only Edo State for don't pass that women's rights. Women's rights are human rights. Human rights are women's rights. Now only Edo State. Now they don't pass that law. Only Edo State. So my beautiful and handsome men, hear me and hear me clear. Hear me and hear me clear. Especially those ones, hey God, we don't rape our Edo guests. Those ones with the very power, I do guess. Mona go they beg them one by one, oh God, oh. Mona go they beg them one by one because I go they share this video. I go they reshare and they reshare and they share. So Tona go they ask me say, what did they do you? I just want them to circulate because many people they share for Facebook not really know this law. What it mean? The power, the yoke with this bill carry, they don't know. They just they say, I get one when I see one blog when I see a better blogger, small they explain to people. Many of us not go school. Many of us not feel read. More now explain now where in a pidgin English. So people feel read pidgin English, pass all this BB grammar. He not seek justice. He seek justice for that girl, but he seek justice for all women. Now that law now pass. I beg Mona help me explain now. When Mona help me share this video, Edo women, all women, I beg you. Any woman we don't hear pidgin English, we come across this my video. I beg you. I beg you. I use our womanhood. I use our women. I don't want to beg una now. I beg una. Men we woman born. Please help me share this video. Men we need change. Help me share this video. I beg you. The new law now. The new law make our men for know. You know say they don't get lights. You know say they want to see news for our house. Make we not can go end up. We not can go see say our loved ones they for prison. Oh. If you rape, if they hear and say rape before the P joiner, don't they prison? Just say before the P joiner. They don't lock them up and no bailing. Even though you sell all the houses where you get, you sell your house, you sell your papa house, you sell your grandpa house, you sell all the houses where you don't sweat, stay build. They not go release them. They look them. They say it is, oh God, impossible. They say they not go bail. So Governor Obaseki, oh Jesus. Thank you for this thing what you do for us as women. Thank you for, oh God, thank you. If I see something where you do good, I am here to like say it out. I'm here to announce it. I'm here to like tell the world the truth. But when I see say you do something where not right, when I see something they go wrong for the state where you govern, where you the rule, I go still talk come out. So for now, Governor Obaseki, this one a better legacy. In fact, this legacy supposed get start too. It's supposed just get woman start too. We will remember say see the day when you pass this bill. We will remember the day when we women get freedom from all these men. From all these men we just believe say women are slave hand. We need to remember this day. We need to like they honor this day. We need them. I beg. Oh God, Jesus Christ. I got joy like a river. Joy like a river. Joy like a river in my soul. Oh yeah, I got joy like a river. Joy like a river. Joy like a river in my soul. I'm really happy. This one a victory for all Edo women. This one a victory for the women we want change. This one a victory for all our mothers wey don feel pain, all our mothers wey our fathers, our grandfathers no respect, wey dem dey beat every day, wey only wetin dey teach dem na endure my pikin, endure my pikin, endure my pikin. This one na victory for the women wey don lost their life through violence. This one na great victory. So I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I'm really happy for this bill. Governor Obaseki say no be only to write am, he go make sure say they pass am and he make sure say they pass the law. Governor Obaseki, thank you. Mrs. Obaseki, the gallant woman, the woman wey sabi, the woman wey come for my time. Thank you very much. Thank you for this change. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Your name go dey jump from mouth to mouth. Your name go dey jump from mouth to mouth for this one wey you do so. Mrs. Obaseki, Bessie, Mrs. Mommy Bessie, this your name, eh? A gallant to people like me, wey come from 20 class citizen. They hard before if you pronounce this name, but nevertheless, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for doing this for me. Thank you for making my friends free. Thank you for making the rape stop in Nigeria. Thank you. No, not in Nigeria. In Edo State, at least other states will copy from us. I beg my Igbo brothers, share this video. Mona protest, mona still talk, say make they pass the same law for Igbo land. Yoruba, mona protest, make they pass the same law. Hausa land, Yobe, everywhere for Nigeria. May all the women stand together to say we need freedom. We need freedom. Make we beg. Then our men will start to respect us. When this fear don't dey, our men will start to respect us. When this fear don't dey, our men no go come out, go dey bonbon for here, bonbon for there, bonbon for here. I tell you, they say the fear of a law is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of social media is the beginning of wisdom. So make we abemo shake social media. Governor Obaseki, thank you very much. But make I use this opportunity to beg my Edo Bini women as they pass this law. So I beg una, make una not use anger, make una not use out of jealousy, make una not use out of hatred. They go put una husband for prison. Say because say we don't get a law. I beg you to think, because you still give birth to male child. So talk through. If you really want, go to law enforcement. Without we not exercise them, they not go put them into work. So I beg you, my Edo women, I beg you, my Edo ladies, I beg you, my Benin ladies, make we not abuse this power where they give us. More not abuse them, I beg una. So I just hope you see reason with me. I just hope you celebrate with all Edo women. I just hope you just bubble with us. I just hope you just take one bira. Give me the bira. Give me the everywhere pepper soup. Everywhere pepper soup. A pepper soup for Edo women. A pepper soup for Russell. Everywhere pepper soup. Everywhere pepper soup. Everywhere so bubble. I'm really happy. Thank you very much, Mr. Obaseki. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really can't thank you enough. I really can't thank you enough. Thanks to all my brave ladies. Thanks to all my women affair, all the women way gallant, way fight for this bill, all the women way protest. Oh God, twale for una, I respect una. Thank you for wiping our tears. Thank you for standing for all the women in Edo State. Thank you very much. Thank you for saying enough is enough. Thank you for speaking out. Thank you for saying women's voice are human's voice. Thank you for saying thank you for telling the world, thank you for telling the men, those men who say women not rich. Thank you for telling them, say, women's rights are human's rights. Human's rights are women's rights. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Once again, all my Edo men, now for abroad, you know if you beat woman. For those states, you know, if you beat woman, so I'm not the thing can again say if you beat your woman for a year, so you wrong go house, so she physically sue you for house right now because the law don't dey. She can sue you. Just love your wife, stop hitting your wife, because if we say make we dey beat una as what una dey do, believe me, you many of una no go get one leg, no get one hand again. So make we beg, make we respect this law. Women no abuse this power where they give us, no lie. I beg you, because who they pull life for your head will never let you go scot-free. That God of good things, that God of truth will never let you go scot-free. You feel just feel say, oh, nobody see you but God see you. Come and they wait for you for front and you will see them. So I beg you not to abuse this power. Make una join all the Edo women around the world. Ooh, all the Edo women, we don't get our freedom. So I beg you, go to any platform, go to any platform, just sing them, just joy, just sing joy, just sing freedom. We are free. Let's just say it, let's just shout it. Make we say, oh God, thank you. Say now my time, now this change they come. Thanks to our brave mother, thanks to our heroes, thanks to the heroes of the land, we make this be really pass. So make we are beg, make we be the women of substance, make we be the women of change. All Edo women, we are great. So make we show the world what we they capable of doing. So make we the women too marry the people we will not fit put for prison. More marry people we truly love us, because when we marry people we truly love us, I don't believe so we'll still put our brothers for prison. So make we are beg. We too see they made the mistake. Instead of us go end for where we know say this person don't love us. So make we just look them, free them, let them be, look for people who really love us. Because when person will really love us, when we marry person we really love us, you know, go raise and say one beat us, not also one will put them for prison. So make we are beg. I hope my men receive this message with peace. I know they happy say they want put on for prison or no. The men, the gallant men where they inside men where no say na mama na born them, men where no say women deserve respect, men where they carry their wife and their daughters like egg. They know what's in they talk about. Now all those men where believe say for their word now their rights. Now their biological rights, their fundamental rights to beat woman. Now their rights to rape woman. Now their rights to maltreat woman. Now those men, now they say me they put go prison. So the real men, it takes a matured mind to know real men. So the real men understand where I'm coming from. Why the boys, not say they never reach men, they are still boys. So I believe so those ones go they angry. Don't be angry, my brother. I just want you to be happy for us, so that you feel marry somebody where you love. When you marry somebody where you love, you know go fit to rub her face, because when you to rub her face, you go the red. You know go want see him. So make this one be lesson to all of us. Make we marry who we love, so that many of us not end for prison. Make we not the hits again. You beat woman, not make woman respect you. You beat woman for real, not make her respect you. So I beg you to understand. I beg you to be happy with me. I beg you to be happy with all the Edo women. I thank you very much for your time. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Thank you for Sobobo with me. Thank you very much, Mrs. Governor Obaseki. Thank you for this legacy where you live for my time. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to all the women association, all the women affair, all the brave women, all the women we advocate for this freedom. Now they're not feel circumcised woman again. No, it's not. In fact, you know, they're not going to even fit come again. So help me share this video for your mama, your brother, your auntie, your uncle to know, say it don't be law. Say you not fit circumcised woman, it is against the law. They don't pass the law. It is life imprisonment. Life imprisonment if you circumcise woman. God leave them for us more to enjoy our husband. He leave us more to sobobo. He leave them for them who just stay there. So you not feel cut them. Men not feel rape woman. Not me say because you just for darkness you just rape. And if that woman mark your face, you know where you they stay. See, even they don't know where you they stay, mark your face. You are a gun and life imprisonment. So let me share this video. Make our brothers know say raping is not allowed in those states. Violence is not allowed in those states. If you force your wife, force some, you the feel say she don't want you with the quarrel. If I just make love with her, the thing will pass. You know they pass, brother. You know they pass. Making love with your wife without talking it over, without sorting it out, forcing her to make love with her. No, you know, command that thing for her mind. Believe it, take it from a woman. If they make us the vessel now the more. If they make if before I even do any small thing, we'll go carry and join the rape one and rape us. We'll come talk and join her. So it's not allowed. Raping of your wife is not allowed. Raping of or small guests for Appian is not allowed. Is life imprisonment. So my brother, my sisters, I beg you to help me share this video to help educate our brothers and sisters. Many of us not sabi read, even though we even see and we not know wetin the right put. So I beg you to help me share this video. Beating of your wife is 2 years imprisonment. 2 years. 2 years. So I beg you to please help me share this video. Many things there. I will put them out. Make you read them by yourself. Up Edo women. Now this change now I want. Now so I want make it just be. Make other states they see Edo they copy. Make other states they see say men Edo women. And we get it so I will get level. We be like Oyibo now. We will be like Oyibo now. Our men will respect us. If all these guys, if you say small girl they pass sapien, if they go reason this B, if you help me share this video, they reason this B saying a life imprisonment, they go leave and make it pass. They not go even think and say they want pen one for 0. No, to say they want rape her. So I beg you to help our brothers. I beg you to help our sisters. Help me share this video. Governor Obaseki, I love you, Mrs. Obaseki. That your name too gallant, fine mommy, bonkish mommy, sweet sex mommy. The mommy way to get swag. The mommy way come for my time. I really appreciate you. I appreciate all the women. I don't know how to thank you enough. In fact, I don't know how I want to talk. Thank you very much. Thank you for this great thing what you do for women in Edo State. Thank you. All Edo Bini women, I beg you, on your camera, speak am for Edo, speak am for Pidgin, speak am for good English, so that we could tell our brothers what they pass for that bill. More tell our sisters what they pass for that bill. More tell them their rights. More tell them somebody will just feel now say the only way forward now to endure the beating of her husband. Make we abemo do video. Make we help in any little way where we fit. My brother not verse. He not reach to verse put. He not reach to verse put. Happy for us. Happy for your sister. Happy for your mama. Happy for your pikin where you were born tomorrow for Edo State. Happy for us. I beg you. So let me go and celebrate. Thank you very much. I just saw the news. I saw the news yesterday. I read them for Vanguard. Then I go check another blog house. I still see them for there. I see them for more than 2-3. I looking for Punch too. I see them for more than 2-3. So now true, they don't pass them. I see them, they don't pass them. So Governor Obaseki, I beg you, tell people where they help you, they check your Twitter to please post all this good news. This one are historic things. This one are the legacy where I want me to leave behind. If you progress, sir, me progress because my state progress. Thank you very much. I love you. I love your wife. I love your family. You know me say if you fuck up tomorrow, sir, say I not come here, can't talk. So I hope you take this message with peace. I hope you don't just take it personal. I hope you understand. And you know I love you. I love you in the name of love. I love you in the name of anything you believe. So please, if this my video make you verse, if you bring out that beast in you, it wasn't intentional. I just stay happy. I don't know if I want to say happy. So please find a place in your heart to forgive me. It wasn't intentional. Till I come your way next time. This is Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. If you're just passing by, you're welcome. Subscribe to watch one of my video. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I upload video. Love you. Peace.